Hello everyone, welcome to the channel once again. I'm continuing with the MS Word series, and in this video we'll learn how we can quickly make notes in MS Word. You can go to home and then you can write anything, and then if you want to be numbered you can just click and then you can write the numbers. Now if you want to create subpoints in this, you just need to create enter and then tab. Then you can create subpoints. You see, in this way you can create subpoints, enter and then tab. Subpoints, as many subpoints you want to create, you can create. So this is very handy when you create subpoints. Now if you want to go back, you just shift tab, shift tab, shift tab, shift tab, and then again some points and enter subpoints, enter tab subpoint, enter tab subpoint, enter subpoint, enter subpoint, tab, sorry, enter tab subpoint. And then if you want to go back, suppose this is the next point, shift tab, this shift tab, shift tab, shift tab, shift tab, again new point, enter, new point, enter tab subpoint, tab subpoint, enter, enter subpoint if you want to tab it. So enter, tab, shift tab you can use to create your notes very easily and very quickly. So if you want to delete also, you see, you can delete it. And suppose you want another formatting to start, you just need to press backspace and then you need to delete it. You see, I have deleted it, and then if I press enter, it will create a point, but if I hit backspace and then enter, now you can create the points, so that formatting will go. So this thing you can use enter, shift tab, tab and backspace. These are very handy, and quickly you can create points, subpoints to make notes. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.